day with Slaughter.
Take one. So, I'm black as shit. Take two. So, day in the life of Slaughter. Right now, it's about, we kicking like 10:45, 10:50 maybe. Oh shit, I thought this was a light. This is a light.
Definitely.
I'll stop here. So, we kicking it, I mean, got my boy Conan behind us in the Mustang 5.0, you know. You know what I'm saying? Next level shit. We outside, like down a trunk season hoodie with the NLB bag, you know, swag. I mean, got Bay in the side of me. I mean, you know, right hand shit. You did. Got 392 pulling up on the side of. Oh, it's not even 392. He ain't got no badge. He badgeless. He badgeless. Somebody just ran the light.
He definitely did.
There's a lot going down right now. This Philly for you. This the motherfucking jungle, and we in the drift Z in the jungle. You feel me? Like, real, it get real out here. I'm telling you, it get real. Like, it really get real. See what I'm saying? Boy, no badge. You got skirted on. You got skirted on. Ain't had no badge. You got disrespected by V6. You hear me? Like, day in the life was Slaughter. But you know.
Yeah, you black as shit.
Black as shit, I told you.
Baby, put your crack your window a little bit, just a little bit.
We
Get some light in here. That shit don't even work.
So, we about to head out.
And this is how you start your second vlog.
Okay. Come in on some shit, you know what I mean? Come through, let the hood know we here. Pap shit. Alright, y'all. So, today, we're coming through Fishtown and we're gonna see what people's reactions are to my loud pops on my car.
Let's start right here. Oh no, I don't. Oh my god, the dog. She's scared. Oh.
Oh my god!
Why you keep doing this? Oh my god, you just scared the shit out of that old man. She slammed her brake.
We just gonna let them go.
You see how hard she slammed her brake? Damn. Oh shit. Policia! Hey yo!
Hey, yo.
Yeah, do it again, do it again, do it again.
No,
Do it again.
no.
Do it again, one more for the one time.
Look.
One more for the one time. One more for the one time. Move up.
What are you doing?
Go ahead.
He tweaking.
It's okay. Come on. One more for the one time.
Oh, he said no more tweaking.
He keep looking at
So, it's day one of the E-Town Gambler, and they're letting us park in the back with all the drifters, like the pros and everything. So, that's pretty cool. We in the mix. I'm about to pull up with my guys. They gonna be like, what the fuck? They gonna be like, yo, how'd you get back here? I'm like, bro, I just pulled
got VIP.
Bullshit. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so what's up, y'all? We back again. Cecil Bieber. We got my man Brendan out here working on the Drift Z. I mean, we have my man Kona House. We over there. He's letting me use this path. My man over there helping me out getting the Z right. We're gonna try to hit the track tomorrow. We hit the track today, and I was told that I was able to actually drive on the track tomorrow. So we're trying to put on the angle kit that I got and the adjustable camber arms, and we're gonna see if we can get it right.
If you fall trying to put this on, just know that I'm recording you as we speak. He's trying to take his tire off with Chandos. Know that he got sneakers in the car.
Alright, so currently right now we got stuck at one point where one of the bolts was stuck. So now we're trying to heat it up so we could possibly open up the metal to be able to get this bolt out without snapping it, because we're about maybe 30, 40 minutes away from home and we don't want to break this bolt. I don't think there's no stores close by that's open with, you know, hardware that we can get right now at this moment. So we're gonna try to sit here and heat this up. I don't know how long it's gonna take us, but trying to get the job done. Trying to get this angle kit on. Like he on my seat though.
Those
Yo. Alright, y'all. So as y'all can see, my guy Brendan got my angle kit on the left side already. And y'all can see how much more angle it has already. It's about at 60 degrees right now. And it's not even turned all the way yet. We're gonna eyeball the alignment. I'm over here trying to tighten up the lug nuts. We're about to get on to the right side and get that side on. It's probably pushing about 12 a.m. about now. And I'm trying to get on the track tomorrow, and I gotta be there by at least, I think, 9 a.m. so I can make the driver's meeting and make sure my car passes inspection. I'm also gonna have to put some tack welding screws, not tack welding screws. I'm gonna have to put some self tapping screws so I could screw down my fire extinguisher inside my car. But as y'all can see, oh my god, now that's all the way. Yo, my wheel is damn near sideways, yo. And that's not even a full angle kit yet. This angle kit was pretty cheap. It was from GK Tech. It was only about 250 bucks. It's not bad.